Here's the structure of diminished and augmented triads. And once you know this, you can write it on the stave. We're going to write an augmented triad first. So, Do, Mi is a major third, Mi, Si is a major third. So we've got 4 semitones, the difference between the bottom and middle, and 4 semitones again between the middle and the top note. Because we know this, we can go over to the stave. We're going to write in C augmented. The symbol for augmented, if we're using chord symbols, is a triangle. So the first thing we need to do is write in the bottom note of which the chord is called after, it's named after, which is a C. And then, following the rule of writing out triads, because we've started on a line, we'll have to go line and then line again. Okay? If we started on a space, like for example if we were writing out F major or F augmented, we would have to go space, 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 like so. But because we've started on a line, even though it's a ledger line, we need to follow the line pattern. So we've written in our 3 notes on the line. Now we need to check that they fit the structure of an augmented chord. So this space between the first and third, that interval needs to be 4 semitones. And so does the next space between the middle and the top. So we can use our keyboard to figure out, is a C and an E 4 semitones? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is. So let's check the next one. Is an E to a G 4 semitones? 1, 2, 3. It's not. So we need to make this G a G sharp in order to make the space between E and the G sharp 4 semitones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It needs to be a G sharp, so we can put that symbol on the left side of the note. The same process is involved for working out a diminished triad. Ti, Re is a minor third, Re, Fa is a minor third. So because we've all got minor thirds or 3 semitone intervals between the notes, we can start off by adding in our bottom note. We're going to write a D diminished this time. So there's our D. And we'll just keep going space and space, and then see if these fit. So our bottom note D to F, 1, 2, 3, so that fits. Now the middle note to the top note, F to an A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's too big. So let's make it smaller by making this A an A flat. So let's draw that in now, putting a flat sign on the left side of the note. And we now know that that is D diminished.